Hello everyone, welcome to channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful Madhubani painting. Material required are mentioned below in description box as well as in video. Material we required is handmade paper which is rough in texture, sketch pen, any color pens. I am using these color pens, pencil, eraser, compass and scale. So let's start. Now first take a center point and start making circle. Here I am going to draw the design. You can also trace it. I will give the link in description box where you can find the design. Always remember, make 2 lines in Madhubani painting. This is the basic of Madhubani painting. See, here I am making 3 lines. You can make 2 or 3, whatever you like. Now I complete the design and then show you. Now the design is completed. Here I am using black gel pen. This is Staedtler's black gel pen which is dry safe. You can use any waterproof gel pen. Now first we complete the outline. You can also make this painting in black color, but here I am using colors also. This look as beautiful as in colors and also in black. If the outline is completed, now start. Now here I am making circles and fill them using black gel pen. Now start making lines, and remember, leave the design. Using the color pen, which is pink. I am making lines. In this Madhubani painting, we are painting it in lines and crisscross. Using red color. In this, I will use crisscross pattern. Now using green color. Making crisscross patterns again. Now making lines only. Orange color, making lines only. On this I am using yellow color. And again I am going to do a crisscross pattern. Now making dotted lines on face. If you like my videos, please share, comment and subscribe my channel.